Good evening, little explorers. Tonight, our sleepy adventure takes us deep into the heart of the magical rainforest, where the symphony of nature plays its enchanting lullaby. Join us as each rainforest friend finds a cozy nook, embracing the tranquility of the night. Greetings, Mr. Tree Frog. After a day of hopping from leaf to leaf, it's time for you to settle into a mossy hideaway and serenade the night with your melodious croaks. Good night, Mr. Hopper. Hi, Snake. Your shimmering scales have sparkled in the daylight, and now it's time to gracefully coil in the moonlit shadows, becoming a guardian of dreams. Good night, Mrs. Serpent. Here comes the parrot. After a day of vibrant squawks and colorful flights, it's time for you to nestle in the rainforest canopy and dream of soaring through the endless skies. Good night, Polly the parrot. Oh, swinging Gibbon. Your acrobatic flips and joyful swings have brought laughter to the treetops. Now, find a leafy hammock and sway into a night filled with playful dreams. Good night, Mr. Swinging Gibbon. Hanging lazily from a branch, Mr. Sleepy Sloth. Your gentle nature and slow movements have spread calmness throughout the rainforest. It's time to close your dreamy eyes and embrace the serenity of the night. Good night, Mr. Sleepy Sloth. Beneath the moonlit leaves, the elusive Mr. Jaguar. After prowling through the shadows, find a soft spot to stretch out and become the silent guardian of the rainforest's dreams. Good night, Mr. Jaguar. In a cozy burrow, Mr. Anteater. Your long snout has been busy slurping up ants all day. Now, it's time to curl up and dream of tasty ant trails under the moonlight. Good night, Mr. Anteater. By the tranquil riverbank, Mr. Crocodile. After a day of sunbathing and river adventures, find a peaceful spot to rest your eyes and let the water's lullaby carry you into a night of dreams. Good night, Mr. Crocodile. In the treetop nest, the playful Mr. Squirrel Monkey. Your agile leaps and mischievous tricks have brought joy to the rainforest. Now, snuggle up with your fellow monkeys and swing into a night of adventurous dreams. Good night, Mr. Squirrel Monkey. Weaving a delicate web between leaves, Mrs. Butterfly. Your colorful wings have painted the rainforest with beauty. As the moonlight dances on your wings, whisper goodnight to the world and dream of fluttering through the enchanting forest. Good night, Mrs. Butterfly. As our rainforest friends settle into their leafy abodes, it's your turn, little explorer, to close your eyes and imagine the wonders of the rainforest. Let the soothing sounds guide you into a world of dreams. Good night, little adventurer. Good night, rainforest.